Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what is up? My name is Lauren and I make tons of fun videos here on my channel, mostly related to beauty, fashion, and like travel type of vlogs, which brings me to today's video. So exciting because you guys are gonna help me pack for a 7-day cruise. But your girl's pale. I really should have put on some fake tanner for this video, but I didn't. So I apologize for the glowy skin currently. Not super like beachy. We're not going to the beach. We don't have any excursions. We're simply just going for the cruise itself. We're gonna like go walk around. But honestly, I think we're gonna like hit the gym and do some stuff like that. Also, this is a great packing list if you do want to dress up for like dinners. We like to do the formal dinners for cruises. So I'm gonna show you the 7 dinner outfits that I'm bringing. It's currently Monday and we don't leave until Saturday for Galveston, so I don't really need to pack up some of the stuff I'm gonna need for the whole week. Really, we're just focusing on what clothes that I'm bringing and shoes. So without further ado, let's get in. First, let's try on. I have set aside here the bed. I've got some things here that I already knew that I was planning on bringing. Also for luggage, what I plan on bringing is this right here. This is the base, B-E-I-S. This is the berry color, berry sherbet that came out this summer. Unfortunately, they don't have this color in stock anymore, but I'll still have this suitcase linked below. This is the medium-sized travel, and inside of this I have the smaller one. I don't know how much I need to bring yet. And then I'm also bringing this large weekender on top. TBD if I'm gonna need the small suitcase yet. Now I'm going to show you really quick. I'm just going to hold up some swim covers and then hats that I'm bringing. It's like this like accordion type pleated pattern. It's like a very loose long sleeve top with the matching pants. But I'm usually very cold around the ship. I definitely want like a long sleeve and pant option to wear. Another swim cover up. This is like the waffle net print pant. These are wonderful. I think I bought these from Windsor. Yeah, they are from Windsor, but I I don't think they sell them anymore. Like, it's been a long time. For my last two swim cover-ups, these are just very light material, like wraps that you can wrap around your waist and tie to the side. They're like see-through. This is definitely not something that I would throw on and like wear around the whole shit all day, because I would basically just be in my swimsuit. But definitely if I'm just like planning to hit the pool and then just go right back to change, then I would throw this on. But I have one in white and one in black. So I do have these packing cubes that I like to use. I'm not gonna fully pack in these cubes. Like, I didn't put any of my dinner outfits in here, but I did put all of my swimsuit, and then all of the cover-ups I put on top, just so that this is all together. I am bringing some hats on this cruise. First and foremost, I'm bringing this sun hat, maybe. I hate packing these and I don't want to just hold this around. I do like to wear sun hats to have my face covered, but packing them is kind of annoying. I am, however, bringing 3 different ball caps. Like, this one is pretty flimsy, so I'm not too worried about getting it dirty. This is like a New York, more of like a snapback, and then also my aloe snapback. Next thing that I am packing are my pajamas. I won't be trying these on because they're honestly t-shirt and shorts and they're not that exciting, so I'm just gonna throw them in my bag. I didn't show it, but I did go ahead and packed all of my underwear, bras, and socks off camera. I did want to show you these socks that I had ordered off Amazon that I am packing. They're nothing like spectacular, but I love a good, like, a little bit of an ankle sock. And these have like a cute little frilly fringe. They came in one size, which I was a little nervous about, but I'm a size 9.5 and they fit perfectly, so just letting y'all know. But it came in a pack of 3. I just ordered these off Amazon and they are like a Skims pajama dupe, but they come in these cute, super cute like pajama shorts and then the matching top in the same color. Apparently, I don't have the Skims version, but apparently they're just like the Skims version. I'll post a photo here of what the gray one looks like on me, but they're super soft and comfortable. I ordered a size small in both. I'll have these linked below. They come in a ton of different colors. All of the shoes that I'm bringing, and you know what, guys? You're probably gonna judge me. I would probably judge myself too. Also, if you hear random gun shooting in the back, don't be alarmed. My husband's currently playing Call of Duty. So let's start with the shoes that I'm gonna be wearing probably on the way. So I will be bringing one pair of sneakers. These are my On Clouds. They're beautiful. I love them so much. So I probably will be wearing these shoes. If I'm not wearing those, I might be wearing Birkenstocks. For like pool shoes, I have these like cloud slides. Do you remember when like these were the it shoe that one summer? This was like 2021. Do y'all remember that? Yeah, I still have mine. And they're my pool shoe. And then I'll probably bring just a pair of Tory Burch flip-flops that are super old, but I refuse to buy another pair because they're so expensive. The rest of the shoes are the ones that I showed you for my dinner outfits. I have, these are the only pair of heels that I'm bringing. They're just white strappy ones. I am bringing these, maybe, I probably will, black like woven sandals. And then I have my Golden Goose sneakers. These babies will definitely be going in my carry-on with me. And then last, we have these beautiful pink little slides that I'm wearing for some dinner outfits. I think I've officially decided that I'm gonna have to pack a second suitcase. So like I have this large suitcase, but I think I'm gonna need my small one too. Yeah. Some things that I recommend that you bring that I have on my list. Obviously, sunglasses is like a must when you're on a cruise. These I just purchased from Amazon and I'll have them linked below. They are just really inexpensive sunglasses. Like, you don't need anything expensive. These I believe were like $15. I will probably bring 2 pairs of sunglasses in case I like lose or break one of them. So these are one of them, and then the other pair are another cheap. Something else that I definitely recommend packing is one of these bad boys, because when it comes to cruise rooms, your staterooms, there are not a lot of plugs. I think there's like one in the room and maybe like there might be one in the bathroom. So I am bringing one of these just so you can plug 3 things in at a time. This should be self-explanatory, but a good face sunscreen. The older that I've gotten, I realize how important it is to be wearing sunscreen on your face, because I have gone years of burning my face and not really caring. I use the Elta MD UV Clear SPF 46, which is like a very random number, but I get this from Amazon and it's super lightweight. It has niacinamide in it to help with redness, and it's acne safe. So if you're acne prone like me, you don't have to worry about this breaking you out. I highly recommend bringing something to fill up your water. If there's one thing I remember about cruises, it's that it is so hard to get your water intake in. If you're like me, I try to drink a gallon every day. I plan on bringing my Stanley to bring like when I go eat, say at the buffet or for breakfast or just to go to certain events on the ship. I'm gonna bring this with me just so I'm drinking my water. I'm obviously not gonna bring it for dinner in like the dining room. All of my married ladies, I highly recommend not bringing your real like engagement or wedding ring. So I purchased a fake one and it is gorgeous. I mean, like I would wear this one every single day as like my wedding ring. It's so pretty if I knew it wasn't like a fake ring. I got the emerald cut. It's 3 carat. Isn't she so pretty? Like if I was to pick out another style of ring, I would totally get this. I probably would get like a thicker gold band and then an emerald shape diamond, but I wanted to wear something other than like the rubber ring, the athletic style. So I bought this one. Like I said, it was like $26 on Amazon and it's gorgeous. Some things that I recommend you bringing that are on my list, but I don't have to show you today because I haven't gone to the store yet. So liquid IV. So Michael is basically to never feel sick. I also get like seasick kind of easily depending on how rough it is. So liquid IV is a must. Dramamine, that stuff is magic in a pill. So basically it's seasickness medicine. If you're ever feeling nauseous, I swear you just take one of those with food and you're good to go. It will alleviate any nauseousness in like 20 minutes. But we got so much done today. I'm shocked. Yeah, I think we're pretty much done packing together. I have like a little other stuff. I mean, I didn't show you my hair care, my hair products and my makeup and my skincare because I need that for the rest of the week to like get ready and go to work and stuff. But I definitely will be packing that for this trip. I mainly just wanted to show you my outfit, my packing list for the cruise. I will have below so you can copy and paste it and make it your own as well. So thank you guys for watching. You probably will see me next from the cruise vlog. Super excited. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram because you'll be seeing more live action shots of us on the cruise. We've got the Wi-Fi package, so I will be posting everything on the ship as well. So we will have Wi-Fi to show you all the things. But thank you again for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe and I'll see you next time.